Hello there, I'm Husband with WTI, and I'm just obsessed with my home smelling great. I really like it when my home smells like something sweet, like pumpkin spice. Every time someone enters my home, they feel like they are in a cozy little space because of this air freshener from Glade. This one is the golden pumpkin and spice, and it actually smells like pumpkin and spice, you guys. I don't know if you have ever tried pumpkin spice coffee. Well, it tastes just like so. I mean, it smells like so because I haven't tried it yet, luckily. It smells amazing, you guys, and it's very easy to use. You would basically use this with a air freshener aromatic dispenser from the same brand from Glade. But in case you don't own one, you can actually spray it yourself, although you would ideally use it with the dispenser. But I love that it lasts up to 2 months, depending on how much or how little you want to spray in your house. And my favorite part is how great it smells. It's something that won't give you a headache because it's really pleasant, sweet. It's just perfect, you guys. I love it. So if you guys like your home to smell like pumpkin spice, well, this is the one. I promise you'll love it. It's just great. It smells amazing. It smells like, well, every time I wake up to the smell when I come to the living room, and I feel like I'm in a coffee shop drinking my favorite drink. So I know that you like it too, and that's my point of view.